You don't need hours to change your life. You need a moment of control. In just 3 minutes, you can enter a level where your mind stops fighting you and starts working for you. This is where your reality begins to shift. Your mind has been trained to move fast, to jump from one thought to another, to react instantly to everything around you. From the moment you wake up, your attention is pulled in 100 different directions: notifications, worries, responsibilities, noise. And in that constant movement, something powerful is lost: control. Because a fast mind is not a focused mind, and a distracted mind cannot create a clear reality. What most people don't realize is that the speed of your thoughts determines the quality of your life. When your mind is rushed, your decisions become reactive, your emotions become unstable, and your vision becomes unclear. But the moment you begin to slow it down, everything starts to shift in a way that feels almost unreal. Slowing the mind is not about stopping your thoughts completely, it's about guiding them into a calmer rhythm. Imagine a spinning wheel. When it moves too fast, you can't see its shape, you can't understand its direction. But as it slows, clarity appears. The same is true for your mind. When you deliberately reduce the speed of your thinking, you begin to notice things you've never noticed before. You become aware of patterns, of opportunities, of solutions that were always there but hidden beneath the noise. This is the doorway to a higher level of awareness, a level where you are no longer reacting to life but consciously directing it. Breathing becomes your first tool in this process. Slow, deep breaths send a signal to your body that there is no danger, no urgency, no need to rush. And as your body relaxes, your mind follows. This connection is powerful because your body and mind are not separate systems. They are deeply linked. When one slows down, the other naturally aligns. This is why just a few intentional breaths can begin to shift your entire mental state. And as you continue adding a simple countdown, something even more profound happens. Your attention moves inward, external distractions begin to fade, and your inner world becomes stronger, clearer, more vivid. In that slowed state, your mind becomes more receptive, more focused, more powerful. You are no longer scattered, you are centered. You are no longer overwhelmed, you are in control. And this is where true transformation begins, not in chaos, not in speed, but in stillness. Because when your mind slows down, it stops working against you and starts working for you, aligning your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions into one clear direction that leads exactly where you decide to go. Once your mind begins to slow, the next step is not to leave it wandering in that calm space, but to guide it deeper with intention. This is where the countdown technique becomes powerful, not as a simple exercise, but as a doorway into a different level of awareness. Most people count numbers every day without realizing that numbers can also be used to shift the state of the mind. When you count with purpose, with focus, and with a clear intention to go deeper, each number becomes more than a sound. It becomes a step downward into a quieter, more controlled inner world. As you begin counting backward, something subtle starts to happen. Your attention narrows. The outside world loses its grip on you. Instead of thinking about everything at once, your mind begins to follow a single path. 10, 9, 8. Each number gently pulls you away from distraction and closer to stillness. It's not about rushing through the numbers, it's about feeling them, allowing each one to settle before moving to the next. With every count, your muscles relax a little more, your breathing becomes slower, and your thoughts begin to organize themselves instead of competing for attention. By the time you reach the middle of the countdown, you may notice that your awareness feels different. It's softer, quieter, yet more focused. Thoughts that once felt loud now seem distant. Emotions that once felt overwhelming begin to lose their intensity. This is the shift most people are searching for without even knowing it. Because in this state, you are no longer controlled by your environment. You are creating your own internal environment. And that is where real influence begins. Continuing the countdown takes you even deeper. 5, 4, 3. Your mind is now entering a level where imagination becomes stronger than memory, where what you choose to focus on starts to feel real. And this is not imagination in the casual sense, this is directed, intentional awareness. This is where your subconscious begins to listen. 2, 1. And you arrive at a place of calm control where everything feels still, yet full of potential. The power of this technique lies in its simplicity. It does not require special conditions, long hours, or complicated steps. It requires only your willingness to focus and your commitment to follow through. And the more you practice it, the faster your mind learns to respond. What once took effort begins to happen naturally. What once felt unfamiliar becomes your new normal. And in that process, you train your mind to move from chaos to clarity on command, creating a level of control that most people never experience but always wish they had. When your mind reaches that calm, focused level, something extraordinary becomes available to you, a creative power that most people underestimate and rarely use with intention. This is where visualization transforms from simple daydreaming into a deliberate act of creation. Because in this state, your mind is no longer cluttered with doubt or distraction. It becomes a clear screen where you can project the reality you want to experience. And what you project here does not stay here. It begins to influence the direction of your life in ways you may not immediately see, but will eventually feel. Visualization is not about casually thinking of what you want. It is about stepping into it as if it already exists. You don't watch it from a distance, you live inside it. You see through your own eyes, you hear the sounds, you feel the environment around you. The more detailed and immersive the experience becomes, the more real it feels to your mind. And this is where emotion becomes the key that unlocks everything. Because your subconscious mind does not respond to words alone, it responds to feeling. The stronger the emotion, the deeper the impression. If you visualize success but feel doubt, your mind receives a mixed signal. If you imagine abundance but feel fear, the message becomes unclear. But when your vision is combined with certainty, excitement, and belief, something powerful happens. Your mind begins to accept that image as truth. It stops questioning it and starts working toward it. This is how you move from wishing to programming, from hoping to creating. In this state, your imagination becomes more than a tool. It becomes a force. You are no longer limited by your current circumstances because your mind is operating from a place where possibilities are not restricted by what you see around you. You are designing from within, shaping the blueprint that your actions and decisions will follow. And once that blueprint is clear, your behavior naturally aligns with it. You begin to notice opportunities that match your vision. You make choices that support it without overthinking. You move in a direction that feels guided rather than forced. The key is to make this experience as real as possible, not just visually, but emotionally. Feel the confidence as if you've already achieved it. Feel the relief, the excitement, the certainty. Let those emotions fill your body as if the moment is happening now. Because when your mind feels it deeply enough, it no longer treats it as imagination, it treats it as memory. And once it becomes memory, it begins to shape your reality from the inside out, guiding you toward outcomes that once felt distant but are now within your reach. In that calm and focused state, after you have visualized clearly and felt the emotions deeply, there comes a moment where your mind is most open, most receptive, and most ready to accept direction. This is where programming begins, not as something forceful, but as something intentional and precise. Because your subconscious mind is always listening, always absorbing, but it only acts with power when the message is clear. If your thoughts are scattered, your results will be scattered. If your desires are vague, your outcomes will be uncertain. Clarity is not just important, it is everything. Most people make the mistake of sending mixed signals to their own mind. They say they want success, but they constantly think about failure. They say they want confidence, but they repeatedly focus on their fears. And the subconscious does not filter or judge, it simply accepts what is repeated with feeling. That is why clarity must be combined with consistency. You must decide exactly what you want, not in general terms, but in specific, vivid detail. What does it look like? How does it feel? What changes in your life once it becomes real? The clearer the message, the stronger the response. In this state, your words carry more weight than you realize. What you say internally begins to shape your beliefs, and your beliefs begin to shape your actions. This is why affirmations are not just phrases, they are instructions. But they only work when they are aligned with emotion and belief. Speaking empty words without feeling creates no impact. But when your mind is calm and focused, and you repeat a statement with certainty, your subconscious begins to accept it as truth. It does not question whether it is possible, it simply begins the process of making it real. This is where you move beyond hoping and into directing. Instead of wishing things would change, you begin to command your inner world with precision. You replace uncertainty with decision. You replace doubt with intention. And over time, these internal commands begin to influence everything outside of you. Your focus sharpens, your confidence grows, and your actions become more aligned with the identity you are building within. The key is to keep your programming simple, clear, and emotionally charged. Not a long list of conflicting desires, but one focused direction that your mind can follow without confusion. Because when your subconscious understands exactly what you want, it begins to organize your thoughts, your perceptions, and your behavior in a way that moves you toward it naturally. And in that process, what once felt difficult starts to feel inevitable, as if your mind is guiding you step by step toward a reality you have already accepted as your own. Once your mind has accepted a clear direction and your inner world begins to align with it, the real transformation shows up in how you move through your daily life. This is where the alpha state stops being just a quiet mental exercise and becomes a practical advantage you carry into everything you do. Because the purpose of reaching that calm, focused level is not to escape reality, but to influence it with greater precision. When you learn to access that state, even briefly, you begin to operate with a level of awareness that most people never tap into. In everyday situations, your reactions start to change. Where you once felt rushed, you now feel composed. Where you once doubted yourself, you now respond with a quiet confidence that doesn't need to prove anything. This shift is subtle at first, but powerful over time. Because your decisions are no longer driven by impulse or fear, they are guided by clarity. You begin to pause before reacting, to observe before deciding, and in that space, better choices naturally emerge. It's not that challenges disappear, it's that your relationship with them changes completely. This state also sharpens your ability to focus. Distractions that once pulled you in different directions begin to lose their influence. You find it easier to stay present with a task, to complete what you start, to move forward without constantly second guessing yourself. And this kind of focus creates momentum. Small actions become consistent progress, and consistent progress leads to results that feel steady and real. Instead of jumping from idea to idea, you begin to follow through, and that alone separates you from the majority. Your interactions with others also begin to shift. When your mind is calm, your communication becomes clearer. You listen more attentively, you respond more thoughtfully, and people can sense that presence. This creates stronger connections, more meaningful conversations, and opportunities that come from being fully engaged rather than mentally scattered. You are no longer just reacting to people, you are influencing the energy of the interaction itself. Over time, this way of operating becomes natural. You don't need long sessions or perfect conditions to feel centered. Even a brief moment of awareness, a few slow breaths, a quick mental reset can bring you back to that level. And as this becomes part of your routine, you begin to notice that your life is no longer driven by randomness or habit. It is shaped by intention. Your goals feel closer, your path feels clearer, and your actions feel aligned with who you are becoming. The real power of this state is not in what happens during those quiet minutes, but in how it transforms everything that comes after, turning ordinary moments into opportunities for control, growth, and deliberate creation. There is one truth that determines whether everything you have practiced becomes a lasting transformation or fades back into old patterns, and that truth is repetition. Not occasional effort, not temporary motivation, but consistent, deliberate repetition that conditions your mind to respond in a new way. Because your subconscious does not change through intensity alone, it changes through familiarity. Whatever you repeat with focus and feeling becomes normal to your mind, and whatever becomes normal begins to shape your identity. At first, entering this calm and focused state may require effort. You may feel distracted, impatient, or unsure if you are doing it correctly. But that is not failure. That is the natural resistance of a mind that has been conditioned to operate differently for years. Every time you sit down, close your eyes, slow your breathing, and guide your thoughts, you are teaching your mind a new pattern. You are showing it that there is another way to function, another level it can access. And with each repetition, that pathway becomes stronger, easier, more automatic. Think of it like carving a path through a dense forest. The first time, it feels difficult. There is resistance, obstacles, uncertainty. But the more you walk the same path, the clearer it becomes. Eventually, it no longer feels like effort. It feels like the natural way to move. Your mind works the same way. The more you practice entering this state, the faster your brain recognizes it, the quicker your body relaxes, and the deeper you go without forcing it. Repetition also strengthens belief. The more you visualize, the more you affirm, the more you feel your desired reality, the more your mind begins to accept it without hesitation. Doubt starts to lose its voice, not because you fight it, but because you replace it with something stronger. Confidence begins to build, not from external validation, but from internal consistency. You trust the process because you experience its effects again and again. Over time, this practice becomes part of who you are. You no longer think of it as something you have to do. It becomes something you naturally return to. In moments of stress, you know how to center yourself. In moments of uncertainty, you know how to regain clarity. In moments of opportunity, you know how to focus your mind with intention. This is where true control is established, not in a single breakthrough, but in the quiet discipline of showing up repeatedly. And as this repetition continues, something powerful happens. The gap between who you are and who you want to become begins to close. Your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions start to align in a way that feels effortless. What once felt like a technique becomes a way of living, where your mind is no longer a barrier, but a tool you have trained, refined, and mastered through the simple but unstoppable force of consistent repetition.